Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up and use your Ledger Nano X. First, unbox your device and connect it to your computer or smartphone using the provided USB-C cable. Power it on and choose Set up as New Device on the screen. You will then be prompted to select a strong PIN code, typically between 4 and 8 digits, to secure your device. Remember this PIN, as you will need it for daily use. Next, the device will display your crucial 24-word recovery phrase. Carefully write down each word in the correct order on the provided recovery sheet. Double-check and verify the phrase on your Ledger Nano X to ensure accuracy. This phrase is your master key, so store it in a secure, private place, away from your device. Never share it with anyone. Now, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. Connect your Ledger Nano X to Ledger Live and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Through Ledger Live, you can easily install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need onto your device. This software allows you to manage your various crypto assets securely and efficiently. To receive crypto, open the relevant application on your Ledger Nano X and generate a receiving address within Ledger Live. Always verify this address on your device's screen to prevent errors. When sending crypto, initiate the transaction in Ledger Live, then carefully review all details on your Ledger Nano X. You must physically confirm the transaction on your device to authorize it, ensuring maximum security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.